That isn't a small block.
Boom, 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 boom.
Does anyone have the new pick? Hey, does anyone?
Trick you. Trick you.
Guys, I want free MTRPGs, but you gotta trade me something for them. You gotta trade me something.
You're the
for
safe
them.
zone. They're lucky, then.
Okay.
Hey,
Can I offer for that? Can I offer for that? Please.
I will buy you an RPG. And you follow me.
Nah. I'll give you an MTRPG, like two of them.
Empty.
I'll buy you an RPG.
Yeah, empty. Give me RPG.
I like an rare.
It was a rare.
Sure.
I'll take it.
Alright, here you go, bro.
I'm actually broke.
Grab the game.
No, pay the bill.
Look how much money I have. Look how much money I have. I'm actually broke.
Pay the bills.
Pay the bills. Look at that.
Pay the
Hey, you're
bills.
gonna die,
Pay the
bro.
mining bills.
This guy's gonna die, I swear.
Pay the mining bills, bro. Pay them. Pay them.
Alright.
Next time I see you, you better have the bills.
I want to trade for this red flashlight. I do.
I don't want to
Calling you.
Gabra revolver and go explode it.
Hey, can I get one? Can I get one, bro? Can I get it? I'll offer you this.
Thank you very much.
Two MTRPGs.
Make me have it. Can I have it?
Give.
Yes. But
I
for
want
that.
one
This for that.
I totally don't. I totally won't fire this.
No, put it on it. Put it on. Don't worry, I have another one. Don't worry, bro. I have another one.
Yeah,
Don't
you're
worry, I have another one. You're BS, mother.
That hurt so bad.
Damn.
I'm not here.
God damn.
He gone,
You're not
bro.
gonna go?
I'm not here.
Oh,
Yeah, there you
go.
He also gone.
How is that floating in the air? What the hell?
Yo, are you guys okay? The person who said they would trade me and they gave me money. Not my pickaxe. Dang it! It's worthless. Guys, kill it. Red one. He has red one. Over here. He got that flashlight. He got that red one too. Hey man! He got that flashlight. He really has red one. Hey, guys, look! He's gonna get red one. Look! Somebody give a pickaxe. Red one, guys! Look, red watch! Red watch!
Yo,
look at our stuff.
Oh, he's right there. Yeah,
Anyone red watch here?
the green the
Come here, buddy. No, you're not making look, red watch! Red watch! Tell me who took my stuff! He got red flashlight! He got red flashlight! He got red flashlight!
See you next time.
Ow!
Damn it, I did do PvP. I hit it first. Okay.
All of your stuff. All of your stuff is gone now, buddy. See? See, look, I have a full holster right here. Look, I have it on my hip.
Why did you steal my stuff, bro? Oh my
I did.
I have it on my hip.
joined.
Bro, I have it on my hip. I have it on my.
Set this off. Set this off real quick.
Alright, bet. Do it.
Yo, give my stuff back. Give my grappler back, please. I'm gonna report you. I'm actually gonna report you.
Bro, this kid
drop
is
it,
lying.
I'm reporting this kid. I'm reporting this kid right now. I'm reporting him right now. I'm reporting him.
I've had this.
I'm repeating him. I'm actually reporting him.
False reporting's crazy.
Guys,
No, you know you can get banned for false
Hey,
reporting.
stop!
You know
Stop!
that, right?
Stop! He stole my grappler and everything.
You can get banned for false reporting. You know that, right?
What? Okay, I will.
That's mine. That's mine, bro. That's mine. Keep don't that off. That's mine. Please.
Hello,
Bro, no, you're just saying stuff. Everything is not yours.
Yes, I have my backpack. Someone emptied it. Someone emptied it. Every single thing I had in my backpack. Everybody took stuff.
I did
Someone
not
took.
take.
Two people took my grapplers.
I swear. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I swear on my mother, I didn't take this. I swear on my mother, I didn't take this.
Have you been a bad boy? Yo, can you give me stuff, please, bro? I'm new. I'm actually new, and this kid just stole everything.
I don't have
It's empty.
Hey, yo, kill him.
Get him!
Shoot him.
Get him! Kill him! He's got
Red watch. Red watch. Red watch.
Kill Red Watch!
In a backpack.
Sell them.
Is that
Dude.
what?
I'm gonna sell them.
No.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I just want.
who has a golden pickaxe for sale right now, bro?
Actually, wait. Deal. I changed my mind. Deal.
Are you actually sure? You take it. Hey, yo, guys, let me buy another revolver. Sell me.
Please buy this.
Oh wait, revolvers are so. I'm gonna buy 6.
RPG.
How is it? Damn.
Okay.
Wait, wait, what?
Did you just take my revolver?
Been working so hard for this.
take my
Already come over here. Okay, come here.
Just take my revolver.
Here, bro. I'm gonna eat.
No, I'm not going down there.
Hey, you stay right there. This is a message.
No, you can't.
Lucky,
As long as you
cause
catch
shot
it
you did.
right here, then you're good.
Could I trade for a rocket launcher? Anybody in here? A rocket launcher, please?
I don't know. Look, nobody's gonna kill you. Look, nobody's gonna kill you.
Are you gonna use that? Okay.
No.
Wait, now try and kill.
You're not?
Here's just go to another server. Or
Hey.
just, yeah, autism.
Hey, what's your
just add-
problem?
Let's just add each other.
full backpack. What's your problem?
Yeah, just add. And then we'll just not add it.
backpack of gold. Oh.
Could I
Give me some, please. I need some, please. I really need some.
Hold on, I'll get some on this big
Hey,
box.
hey,
Alright,
rocket launcher guy. Hey, rocket launcher guy. I'll give you rocket launcher ammo. I'll give you rocket launcher ammo.
I'll give you this.
Wait, give me what?
Give me two. Give me two.
I have to
then
exact.
you
That's
need
the
more
only thing
left
I
and
have.
I can go
For
back.
what though?
Come on, who wants to kill me?
Nah.
I don't want this. I
Wait,
really
come
want
over here. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'll
give
kill
me
you.
something.
I'll kill you with a revolver.
Okay, but I need something to
How do I-
trade, bro. I really.
Wait, don't pick this up. Don't pick them up.
Everybody come to mining
Somebody's
area.
gonna steal it.
I miss
Somebody's gonna
it.
Quick.
No.
I
Everyone
want you
to
to
mine.
steal
Come to
it.
the mining area. I have really good
That's
pickaxes.
right.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not
what
fighting.
the heck is that?
Oh, is that a
Could I have some
custom
gold?
rocket launcher?
Yeah, could I have some
hey,
gold?
get that
Could I
back.
have some gold? Could I have some gold? Okay.
Stay back.
No, you get nothing.
No,
Everyone
dude.
go to the mine.
Thank you, bro.
Nah,
You wasted a grenade.
Hey, bro.
You just wasted a grenade.
And you suck. And you.
That's it.
I'm outside of the safe zone.
When I get
Bro, who has that?
when I get another
Okay, by the way.
revolver, I'll do it again.
Who said it?
See you.
Everyone else who wants
to go to mine. Let's go.